Welcome back to Car Operation, your trusted place for the most detailed vehicle reviews. Today, we're diving into a truly unique ride that blends tradition with modern luxury, the modern wedding buggy in Pakistan. These wedding buggies are not just vehicles, they are statement pieces for grand celebrations, and we're going to take a deep look into their design, features, performance, and price range. Starting from the exterior, the modern wedding buggy stands out with its royal and artistic craftsmanship. Most of these buggies are custom-built and beautifully decorated with intricate woodwork, golden accents, traditional motifs, and LED lighting that gives them a majestic glow during evening weddings. The frame is often based on small truck chassis or modified jeeps, but completely transformed with a canopy-style roof, luxurious seats, and high-quality paint that resists weather wear. The wheels are often chromed, specially designed with ornate hubcaps to complete the royal aesthetic. Each buggy has its own flair, some with open sides for better visibility of the bride and groom, while others come with tinted glass or even convertible tops. Moving to the interior, this is where things get even more interesting. The interiors of these modern wedding buggies are designed to make the couple feel like royalty. Plush leather or velvet seats, high-density foam cushioning, and premium stitching ensure both comfort and luxury. Many buggies come with sound systems, ambient LED lighting, air conditioning or fans, and even mini coolers to keep beverages cold during summer weddings. The interior is often color-themed according to the wedding event, with choices ranging from traditional reds and golds to more modern whites, silvers, and pastel tones. Mirrors, curtains, and floral decorations add to the romantic vibe, and for nighttime events, the entire cabin glows with soft mood lighting that adds a cinematic feel. When it comes to performance, most modern buggies are not about speed, but about smoothness and reliability. These vehicles are built to handle short distances and city driving with ease. They typically run on small diesel or petrol engines with moderate horsepower, offering a steady pace ideal for wedding processions. Suspension systems are often enhanced to ensure that the ride remains bump-free, especially when moving slowly through city roads or uneven wedding venue entrances. The drivers are usually well-trained and familiar with handling the slightly bulky structure with precision. Some buggies are even powered by electric systems, offering a quieter and eco-friendly ride. Now let's talk about pricing. The cost of a modern wedding buggy in Pakistan can vary significantly depending on the level of customization. For rental, prices typically start from around 15,000 to 40,000 Pakistani rupee for a day, depending on the city and the features included. For those who wish to purchase one for business or personal use, the price can range from 7 to 15 Pakistani rupee or more. This cost covers the custom bodywork, luxury interior, and the base vehicle itself. Of course, prices go higher if you opt for imported materials or special mechanical modifications. That wraps up our review of the modern wedding buggy in Pakistan. A blend of tradition, elegance, and engineering that truly stands out on any special day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Operation for more unique vehicle reviews and automotive content. See you in the next one.